With increasing requests to integrate internal applications with external EDI partners, businesses of all sizes need help finding the resources to stay ahead. But not anymore, thanks to OpenText Business Network Cloud Foundation. Business Network Cloud Foundation leverages the OpenText Trading Grid, the largest B2B network in the world, and delivers EDI capabilities and a suite of self-service integration tools to fulfill the needs of any size business. Business Network Cloud Foundation includes a range of pre-configured adapters that help businesses connect and integrate to internal business applications, including ERP systems and e-marketplaces, while reducing onboarding times typically by 75%. These adapters model standard business processes, such as purchase to pay or order to cash. Let us show you how easy it is to configure a connection using the Oracle NetSuite Order-to-Cash adapter and enable relevant EDI transactions, such as inbound sales orders, remittance advices, outbound order confirmations, advanced shipping notices, invoices, and more. With just a few clicks, you can configure the connection. Simply select the connection type you wish to configure. We'll use NetSuite Order-to-Cash adapter as an example. Then enter the essential details necessary to connect to your NetSuite application. And in just a few minutes, the configuration is complete and ready to use. Once your adapter is enabled, it will automatically connect to your NetSuite system using NetSuite APIs and be ready to exchange all future order-to-cash transactions with any of the buyers you connect. Simplify the complexity of EDI integration with self-service features that quickly and easily connect once to your key applications and integrate seamlessly with all of your external trading partners with OpenText Business Network Cloud Foundation.